Hey, today I'm gonna cook jerk chicken. Check it out. Okay, so today I'm gonna prepare jerk chicken. A lot of people have been requesting this, so I'm gonna use my Jamaican accent to make it more special. All right, so I have everything already laid out, all right? I'm gonna go over my seasoning and the jerk sauce and everything like that. All right, so first of all, I have the chicken here. I'm gonna do some chicken wings. And then I'm gonna use some Badia seasoning. Use some black pepper. And here's the jerk sauce. This is it. I want to take a good look at the jerk sauce. It's called Jamaican jerk seasoning. That's what you need. You can find this in the grocery store. Go to the ethnic aisle in a major grocery store. You should be able to find that. And I'm going to use wild rice. This is very simple. All you need to do is just to put it in the oven for like 2 minutes and you are ready to go. Okay, I'm ready to season the chicken. I'm gonna put the jerk sauce on. But before I do that, I wanna make some special cuts into the chicken. So you're gonna put the jerk sauce into the cuts. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut right here. There's a lot of skin right here, I'm gonna cut that. And then I'm gonna make some slanted cuts. Not just gonna go straight down, I'm just gonna go sideways. All right, there you go. That's where the jerk seasoning will go. And let's do this right here as well. Okay. And I will, let's get another knife here. And I'll take a little bit of the jerk seasoning. This is what the jerk seasoning looks like. And then I will put it inside the chicken. Well, let me take it out here first so I don't keep going back in there. Oh, that looks too good. All right. Then I'm gonna go to the next one and put the jerk into this chicken right here. There you go. That's it. And I will do another one. I'm gonna make this cut. Okay, no jerk seasoning. There you go. You don't want to put too much. All right, so now we got the jerk seasoning in. The next thing I need to do is to put the seasoning on. All right, so this is what it looks like when the jerk seasoning is in. As you can see, I'm just going to let it sit here and baste a little bit. That's what it looks like. I get the jerk chicken. There you go. All right, so now I'm going to put in the regular seasoning. I'm going to start with the black pepper first. I'm not going to put a lot into it. Just to make sure that it gets covered. Yeah, the black pepper makes it a little bit spicy. Yeah. So the jerk and the spice, it's a lethal combination. There we go. And now I'm going to use the regular seasoning. I like this thing. Yeah. There you go. Not a lot. Okay, so this is what the chicken looks like. It's seasoned, the jerk sauce is in, and now I am ready to saute it before I put it in the oven. Typically, You know, you can either put this on the grill, but today I'm going to use the oven. Okay, so now I'm going to saute the chicken. Put a little bit of olive oil. That should be enough. Turn the stove on. And since I'm going to do it in the oven, I'm going to turn the oven on as well. And I got this thing here ready to go. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to put the chicken into it, and I'm going to bake it for maybe about 20 minutes or so, and we should be good. Okay, so the oil has been heating for a while. It should be pretty hot now. I'm going to place the chicken into it. All right. It could be a little bit hotter, but that's good enough. All right, it's only 6 pieces, so that should be good. So I'm gonna let these marinate for a while. And so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to smear them on the outside, so when I do put them in the oven, it's gonna allow the chicken to cook in its own juice. So that means that it's not going to be in the oven for a long time, but it should be crispy, it should be spicy, and it should be delicious. All right, now that's what the chicken looks like. Yeah, it smells pretty good too. All right. All right, this should be good enough, so I'm going to place it in a container. And the oven is ready to go. So it shouldn't be long now. I'm going to have jerk chicken. How's that? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. All right, looks great. Okay. Now I'm going to just put this in the oven and we are good to go. Okay, so I'm just sitting here waiting for the chicken to get done. A lot of people like to cook and clean and talk on the telephone and do all those things. But whenever I try to cook, man, I try to focus on cooking. I don't want to watch TV. I don't want to do anything else. You know, I just want to focus on the cooking, because one thing you don't want to do is to have it overcooked or gets burned. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. Okay, I just took the jerk chicken out of the oven and it looks good. Guess what? It smells really good. The rice is here and I am ready to go. Oh wow, looks pretty good. Didn't take too long, but I'm kind of hungry, so let's do it. Yep, it's pretty good.